Hola mis serenitas, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Chiquita Serenita, and today we're doing a review, tutorial, and swatches of BH Cosmetics Cherry on Top palette. This is from their Sweet Shop. If you guys remember, I told you guys that I bought all 6, but currently I only have 3. BH Cosmetics still hasn't sent out my stuff, so these are the ones that I bought from Ulta. So these are the colors right here, you guys. They're all really, they range from basically light pink to dark peach to like these deep burgundy tones right here. I love the whole just design that they did, cherry on top, and they have this little swirly of whipped cream and some like chocolate, and it has this little cherry. It's so cute. I'm pretty sure these are vegan and cruelty free. I'm not 100% sure. I'm probably going to put somewhere up here. And I know they're definitely limited edition. So if you guys want it, you guys better snag it up while you guys can. So before we do the swatches, I want to show you guys the brush set. So the brush set comes like this. It says Sweet Shop Sprinkles 9-piece brush set. In the back, it tells you what is included. It says a tapered powder brush, which is this one right here. Now let me tell you guys, the only thing I don't like about these brushes is they feel really cheap. And when I say really cheap, I mean they're lightweight compared to my other BH Cosmetic brushes. They're still soft. They are vegan, so I know people are going to like that. I love the little handle. See the little designer? They have these little sprinkles on both sides, so they're flat. They're like just flattened to a curve right here. I love that about them. It's just when I was like using them, they felt kind of just cheap for some reason. I was like, well, I don't know. They just don't feel full enough just compared to my other ones. So you see, like, this is a BH Cosmetic one. This is from their Pole Chick. You see how much thicker the bristles are right here. I mean, of course, they're different kinds of brushes. Let me see if I can find one that has something similar to what that is. So this is another tapered powdered brush, just like this one right here. And you could tell which one looks better, you guys. Like, this one actually looks more fluffier. It is super soft. This is from their Weekend Midnight Festival one. I bought this pretty much the last, not the last launch, but the launch before that. So they're about this, they're actually not the same size. Look, if I line them up, this one's actually longer, but I have some that are super small. So I'm like, what the heck? They're like miniature brushes, honestly. They're just okay. I'm saying if you like the cuteness of it, super cute. But I'm not going to say I 100%, you know, recommend these to you guys, because I'm like, they're just okay. They're not, oh my God, these are so beautiful. I'm not that crazy about them. I still use them. I mean, I bought them. They're super cute, but still. So this is the blush brush. I did use the blush brush today. And then they have a flat shader brush, which I'm pretty sure it's this one. It's the one that I used right here in my corner. So look how small they get. As they change, they get smaller, see? And then we have a fluffy shader brush, which is this one that I used earlier, I believe. Actually, this is the tapered blending brush. So this must be the flat, fluffy shader brush. This is a fluffy one. So I used about 4 of them today. And then we have a large blending brush, which is this one right here. I use this as my highlighting brush. It works. And then they have a pointed crease brush, which I'm guessing it's this one right here, this little rounded one. I didn't get to use him today. And then you have a detailed shadow brush. I think it's this one. It's this little flat one, the angled, right? No, this is the angled liner brush. But then they have this flat, this detailed shadow brush. This doesn't look like no detail. This, honestly, you can see this as an inner corner highlight. But I've also seen this being called for like lipsticks, you know, when you want to apply a lipstick like that. I don't know. It probably is an inner corner highlight. It's just really flat. It's really dense. I'm not impressed with them, like I said, you know. They're just okay to me. They're cute, don't get me wrong. They're cute. It's just, I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's the same quality as these ones right here. Maybe these because these aren't vegan. I don't know. Maybe that's it. So let's get started on the swatches, you guys. I'm going to start with this first one right here that's called Sweets. Like I said earlier, it's just like this. All the ones on top are really metallic looking. This one looks like just a straight up shimmer. It's very pretty though. It's like a Barbie pink. That's the same one I use as my inner corner highlight. Next to that we have Juicy. Juicy's super pretty. I used Juicy today too. Juicy's like right here in this corner. And then next to that you have Maraschino. Maraschino is that color I have in the middle of my eye right here. Like, Maraschino did not come to play, okay? She said, I'm here, look at me. So she's super pretty. You guys just see those colors? These colors are crazy. Next to that we have Black Cherry. Black Cherry, oh my god, she looks like a dark burgundy metallic. So freaking pretty. Look at her. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys see that? That is crazy. She is a metallic burgundy. That is awesome. First color in the next row, we have Sunday right here. Remember that all the bottoms are matte, you guys, okay? So Sunday just looks like this. She looks like this baby pink, honestly, between a peach and a pink. Very pale. Really, really light for me. I mean, she could totally be built up, though. I mean, I probably wouldn't use her. I don't feel comfortable enough with her, but she's a very pretty color anyways. Next to her, we have Wild Cherry, and Wild Cherry is my transition shade I used today. She's very pretty. Look at that. That's just one swatch. Ooh, she gets intense. Believe me, she gets intense the more you use her. She did not come to play either. Next to her, we have Tarte. I actually stayed away from Tarte because I was like, no, she's probably going to do what the other one did to me yesterday. Now, in the pan, you guys, like I said earlier, this is the second swatch for that one. These are not that far off from each other in the pan. They look very similar right here. Just like maybe 1 or 2 tone difference, which is not a big deal to me. I mean, I could still use both of them. It's not really a big deal. I guess it just depends on how intense and how you want to use them. Like, this color could totally be used as a corner if you don't want to use that really dark burgundy that's in there. The one that I use is the darkest color in the pan, and in the palette, I mean. So you could use that one instead of opting for the darkest color. Next we have Sprinkles, which is the darkest and last color in here. And she is just a super dark ruby red. Like, come on, you guys. Isn't it such a beautiful dark color like that? I don't know if you guys could have heard those cats that were fighting in my backyard. We get feral cats around here like it's crazy. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much it for the swatches. I like the palette. I really love how my look came out today. I just think it's like definitely not one of those type of subtle palettes. This palette will get you noticed. Like, this palette will stand out, and I honestly think it'll work for any skin tone. Unless you're just fair skin tone and you're not comfortable with color, then definitely pass on this one. But like, come on, if you like it, you like bold, just looks like that, then this one is for you, girl. Don't let it pass you. So that's pretty much it. If you guys want to see how I created this look today, just stay tuned. Okay, you guys, for my first color, I went in with this color right here. This is called Wild Cherry. I like it. It's like a really deep, I want to say like a peach pink around there. And it's just on the darker end. You see how they have these two? I decided to play it safe and stay with that one right there instead of going for the darker one. Because I didn't want to do what happened yesterday. It was like, one was way dark. Okay, you guys, for my second color, I went in with this color right here that's called Maraschino. It is, I want to say like it's this metallic, it looks like a metallic fuchsia to me. It's very pretty how it stands out on its own right there. Like, it needs no introduction because you can see it clearly in the middle of my eye, and I love that it does that. It's like, Jesus, that thing stands out. So it's a very pretty color. Honestly, I went in with that color because I wanted to leave these two for like an inner corner highlight, and I didn't want to mess with this, so that's why I decided to go with that one. But all the colors in here are equally pigmented and beautiful. So I used my finger, you guys, Y'all already know, okay? So for my next color, I went in with this color right here that's called Sprinkle. It is this deep, dark, matte burgundy that I just love, and it matches, like, it pretty much matches my shirt, you guys, like, and my lipstick. But it's very pretty. I just put it on the sides right here, just like I tapped it in right here. You're basically creating a halo look is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. So I'm just going to stick it to right here, and keep that maraschino cherry in the middle. And then I went a little bit below right here up until like a certain point, because right here is a whole different other shimmer color that I use. So I'm just letting you guys know, because I don't want to see confusion later on when you see me, you know, blending everything out here. Like, what is she doing? What is she doing? You know? And I did go a little bit across. You're going to see me doing that too. So I'm just going to take my transition shade, which was the Wild Cherry, and I'm just going to go back over that. So for my next color, I went in with this color right here that's called Juicy. It is, I want to say it's a lot more, this one is like considered like a fuchsia magenta pink. This one's more on the peachier end, but it's obviously has a lot of pink in it too, but it's just like peach pink with a lot of shimmer to it. Almost like a metallic too. It reminds me a lot of that maraschino shade. I don't know. I love it. It's really pretty. So for my inner corner highlight, I went in with this color called Sweet. It is this very baby pink shimmer, very pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it. It's so pretty in that corner. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Let me put some mascara on this eye. I don't plan on using eyeliner, and if I do, it'll probably be much later. Probably not even for Instagram, because I want to show the look how it is in its entirety like that. So let me do that and I'll be right back. So this is the finished eye look. Hopefully it's not too much and you guys like it. I honestly love this palette, like, because you know, you guys know I like BH Cosmetics, and this cherry palette, like, if you like red, you like burgundies, you're gonna go crazy over this palette. It's super pretty. I just love it. So let me back you guys out and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, you guys, I'm back. You guys, I seriously like this palette. If you guys love like deep cherries and burgundy colors, and I love the type of, you know, different kinds of shade range they have in here. I'm gonna say that these two look so similar together though. I'm definitely gonna be doing swatches in the beginning of the video, so we'll see if they look alike. Right now, eyeballing it, they're only about maybe 1 or 2 shades darker from each other. Other than that, I love everything about it. I think these are cruelty and vegan free, both of them, you guys, and I know they're limited edition for sure. So if you guys like this palette, definitely snag it up before it's, you know, before it's gone and you won't get another chance. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay warm, stay blessed, and stay magical. Bye, you guys.